to introduce a player like Sahile, I think this is impact
Yeah,
go swelele. U feel Chiefs problem, especially ka side ya mfano ba re ya cross because now we know everything da man. He o ka cheka na tsena ka mohare. Na khona attack space. Wa ntlhalohanya. Just that ha ba ba le lucky le bona ko final third.
I want to know your perspective ka taba ya Mfundo Vilakazi because he played well like under 20 there. To me, if he comes in the second half of the time, he's got an impact, especially he's effective going forward. But now, Gaza, the coach, he made sure that, you know what, because I'm not sure if it's the pressure from social media or what, or Thiaga, but now they started with Mfundo Vilakazi. Then how do we make it?
Mfundo is a very good player, Chucks and Chucks. But in Tokyo, when we say coach must give Mfundo the minutes, doesn't mean you can start Mfundo. As you said right now, Mfundo is good, hard to go benching. So here work anako or amufenako maybe second half I can move for 20-30 minutes. I'm not blaming the coach. Maybe game plan
is it the pressure from the just before?
I get pressure. After Mfundo played very well, go under 20. And people must remember under 20 the Kaizer Chiefs had it one.
Yeah, true.
But I give Mfundo, but Mfundo is a very good player when I checks and chats. So for coach, Homutlisa ka first 11 sometimes ya mopalla nga no for example le ka di player tse tshwanang go shifta nyane le bo mapena for Mamelodi Sundowns a thoma le match ya mopalla so ke yana na ore maybe le pressure from the supportera e ka no mo fa pressure gore tshwantse mo start.
For breaking news, go to itdiskitimes.co.za.